Okay guys, good morning. Today we are going to deal with the first chapter, and the name of that chapter is the third level, which is written by Jack Finney. This chapter is a very extraordinary chapter to understand the things which is mentioned by the writer. Before starting the chapter, the writer has given us a question. Have you ever had any curious experience which others find hard to believe? Yes, obviously, every human beings are having some special experience, curious experience in his or her life, and others are not going to believe it. Okay, let us start the chapter. The president of the New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on the stack. One word is here, stack. Stack means pile, usually neatly arranged. Swear on a stack of timetables that there are only two, but I say there are three. There are three because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. Okay, so in the starting of the stanza, the writer is saying that the president of the New York Central and the New York and New Haven and Hartford railroads, all these will swear, and they will share on a piles of timetables that there are only two levels on the Grand Central Station, that there are only two levels on the Grand Central Station. But the writer is saying, the writer, not writer, Charlie is saying that there are third level also, there are three level also, third level also, because he is saying that he had been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. He had been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. I have taken the obvious steps, natural, and he is saying that yes, I have walked on it. I have naturally walked on it. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine, and he is saying, Charlie is saying that I talked about the existence of the third level. I talked about the existence of the third level from my friend who is a psychiatrist, and the name of that friend is Sam Weiner, and among others, not only with my psychiatrist friend I talked about this, but also among others people I talk about this. I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said that it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. And Charlie is saying that I told my friend about the existence of the third level, others also, but my psychiatrist friend Sam Weiner said that there are only two levels, and if you are thinking that there are third level exist on this on the Grand Central Station, it means that you want that your waking dream should be fulfilled, you want your waking dream wish fulfillment. He said I was unhappy, and the most important fact of this chapter, he said that I was unhappy, that made my wife a kind of mad. But he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and the rest of it. And Charlie is saying that my psychiatrist friend told me that I was unhappy with the world in which I was living, and from that idea, my wife was gone some insane. My wife was gone mad. Not mad. My wife was thinking much more about this, but he explained that he meant the modern world. Acha. And my psychiatrist friend also told that the modern world is full of insecurity, worry, and fear, war, and many more things, and this is the reason that you are escaping from the harsh reality of life. And he told me that you are escaping from the harsh reality of life, as you are feeling that there is insecurity, there is fear, there is insecurity, there is fear, there is possibility of a war, there is worry, so many things, so many things. And that I just want to escape, and this is the reason, by the feeling of insecurity, worry, zealous, possibility of war, this is the reason that I am escaping from the reality, I am escaping from this world to the past. But they do not wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. Sorry. Well, who does not? I said, well, who will not try to escape? Who will not try to escape from the harsh reality of life? Who will not go to the past? Everybody I know wants to escape. Everyone whom I know very well, they want to escape from the present world to the past world, because there are so many problems, so many worried and fear in this world. So they will try to escape from the present world, from the current world, from the world where they are exist, but they do not wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. But Charlie is saying that I have gone on the third level, but those people who are proving that the third level does not exist, they have not gone, they have not wandered down, they have not walked down into the third level. But that is the reason he said, my friend all agreed, but that is the reason, and this is the reason. What was the reason behind this? That modern world is full of insecurity, fear, and so many things. That was the reason that my friends agreed with the fact that the third level exists. Everything points to it, they claim. My stamps collecting, for example, and all my friends have given the example that you are fond of collecting stamps, and whenever you see towards your stamp, you look at your stamps, you went into past. That is a temporary refuge from reality, and they said that this is the reason that you are escaping from the harsh reality of life. Well, maybe, but my grandfather did not need any refuge from reality. But Charlie is saying that my grandfather has been on the third level and he has no need to refuge from reality, to escape from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful, and at the time of my grandfather, everything was very nice, everything was very peaceful,